OnePlus Nord Buds 2 are not working on one side. Let's see how to fix it. The first method. Now connect your charger. After the charge is 100%, then disconnect the charger. Now check if your headphones are fine or not. Second method. If Bluetooth headphones are already connected, now forget the device or unpair the device. Now reconnect to your device. I hope your problem will be resolved after doing this process.